Hello everyone, over the past few years, Nooie has been innovating through smart home products. Let me introduce you to their latest innovation, the Nooie Robot Vacuum, the world's first smart robot vacuum with a built-in and disposable 1300 milliliter dust bag. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Here we have our docking base, the Nooie Robot Vacuum, power adapter, and the dust bags. Beginning with the dust bag, the capacity of the dust bag in the Nooie Robot Vacuum is 3 times larger than other robot vacuums on the market. The dust bag can also be easily detached, or once you have maximized the dust bag's use, simply discard and replace it with a new dust bag. Equipped with a high-powered 5000 PA motor, the Nooie Robot Vacuum is capable of vacuuming practically anything in its path. The Nooie Robot Vacuum is designed with 3 different cleaning modes: Eco Mode for energy savings, Normal Mode for everyday use, and Turbo Mode for when you need a quick clean. Most robot vacuums on the market have trouble with managing hair and fur, causing major tangling issues. The Nooie Robot Vacuum is engineered with anti-hair tangling bristles, specifically designed to ensure the robot vacuum is tangle-free. The Nooie Robot Vacuum has a low profile and a super slim body. It's able to fit under furniture and hard-to-reach places. The Nooie Robot Vacuum has a powerful built-in light detection and ranging laser system. This technology seamlessly integrates auto navigation, so it's able to detect and avoid obstacles such as furniture and objects. From the ease of your own smartphone, the intelligent programming in the Nooie Robot Vacuum can be set to automatic or manual. Automatic allows the vacuum to intelligently map an efficient cleaning route, while manual lets you create your own map, routes, and room boundaries. For additional convenience, using the Nooie app, easily customize a cleaning schedule for your vacuum. And since it's app-based, smart scheduling can be managed from wherever you are, anytime and anywhere. With Nooie's Robot Vacuum, cleaning has never been easier. It's a powerful, efficient, and convenient way to keep your home clean. Nooie is here to make your life simple, easier, and smarter.